Hello, trading is closed on June 11, 2019. We'll go over our calls. We said unless we gapped over this high at today's open, it was a strong resistance area and the big drop was coming. And I said if we did gap over the high, which we did, we had the potential to go as high as 29.18, but not to a new all-time high on this leg. We came within 7.39 of the target. That might be all we get. Depends on tomorrow's opening trade. I thought this target might not print, but it did. And there's a new MEJT target for tomorrow of 28.7966. And that's my call. Just remember, if we gap up smartly, the call is canceled before the open. Doesn't mean it won't print, just means I won't predict it. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher price would print. They did, but it says the move is false, so we're going to undercut that low. Gives us a target of 28.7966. This is a new high for this leg in a negative close. That's never good. It's invalidated as a negative sign. If we gap up, take out this high promptly. Looks like a pretty tall order to me. It's positive that we dropped all day and couldn't close under these lows. Unless we gap down, take out these lows early, it's a positive sign. So we have mixed indicators. Commonest thing is we gap outside the range. Next most common close, it'll change. Have the big move Thursday. Least common by a large margin. Neither one of those things happen. I think we'll find out early tomorrow what's going to happen because tomorrow's a pattern with an early low. Most of the time it's a rally day with a low in the first 1 to 2 hours and a high in the last hour of the day. It doesn't have to be that way, but it's the commonest. And it's usually a rally day with a positive close unless we drop early in the first 1 to 2 hours. We have a lower target. We have 2 straight days of gapping up with nothing to show for it because all the gains have been given back. This is pretty close to the target I had when we were significantly lower than this was. All we need to do to call a top here is to gap under this low, or at least trade under it promptly. Now, futures are up as I'm recording it, and I can't say for certain we are going to gap under the low, but I think if this wasn't the high today, it's darn close. I don't think you'll have to wait too much more before this rally ends, and it could have ended today. Here's the target, pattern with the early low. If the low in the first hour or two is steep, I think that high will hold. And that's today's call.